In the early 70s, I was 12 years old, and then the whole family moved to the US, rather immigrated there, looking for a better job and better life opportunities somewhere else other than our own country. The only English I knew at that time was this is a cat and this is a dog, and I was the only one in the family who knew this much. As you can imagine, life was difficult in a strange world where you could not communicate. Luckily enough, at school I was placed from very early on in an art course, and as I already had an inclination to drawing, the art class became the only place in my world where I didn't feel a fool in. Somehow then, the frightening new country began to make sense, and the ground under my feet steadied again. My art teachers, and I will tell you their names, were Mr. Lambert at first, then Mr. Rasta, and then Mr. Cote. They were all very encouraging. The fact that I was so scared because I couldn't communicate with words pushed me to discover another means of a communication, of expression. So I turned to art because this experience, I think, finally made me become an artist. It's funny how things in life go around in circles, creating certain patterns. For the past 17 years I've been teaching art in school. We have many students from many different countries from all over the Balkans who have immigrated to Greece with their families. They are at the same age I was when we first went to the States. Through them, I feel like I'm reliving my experience, and I watch them struggle with the language and the new strange environment. What's even stranger is that the majority of these kids do really well in an art class while facing problems in the other lessons. So I just stand by them for as long as I can until they find their own way.